So came outside to check on my sunflowers, and I see this cute little bee just going around the ring, just pollinating all the little future sunflower seeds. And so I was just watching him for a minute and decided to do a slow motion video just to see if he would, or she, I should say, she would hover. And so in just a moment, she actually lifts off to hover, and you can see her as she's hovering. Watch her back legs really closely. This is so cool. You can actually see her adjusting those little pouches, those pollen baskets that she has on her back legs. And I believe that she is packing the pollen into the basket so that she can go and grab more pollen and pack more pollen into those baskets so that she can transport more to the hive. And I believe that they also take a combination of saliva and nectar to wet the pollen so that it's easier to transport, so that the flapping of their wings doesn't cause the pollen to go and, fly away. So it's pretty cool how brilliantly they can kind of work the pollen with their hands and wet it and mold it like clay almost. They turn into this paste, it looks like, if you watch what she's doing. And then she just packs it into those little baskets on her legs. It's like, where did she learn this? It's a brilliant little bee. Adorable to watch. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.